All right, everyone, I'm here to help you with number 11, 12, and 13. 11 and 12 are pretty similar. They're giving you one trig function. You have to find the other. So, okay, there's a couple ways you can do this. The first way is you can do right triangle trig. The second way is Pythagorean identity. Okay, since they told us this is in the third, this is basically the third quadrant, which we know that they're both negative. So we know that cosine is going to be negative. So I'm going to use right triangle trig. If I say my angle is here, sine is opposite over hypotenuse, and I'm going to ignore the sign for now, like the negative sign. So I'm going to find this side doing x squared plus 1 squared equals 4 squared. So x squared plus 1 equals 16. X squared equals 15. So x is going to be square root of 15. What that means is cosine is going to be adjacent root 15 over hypotenuse 4. And since we're in the third quadrant, cosine's negative. So then to find tangent, we're going to do sine over cosine, which would be 1 over root 15, which if we rationalize the denominator, we'll get root 15 over 15. In number 2, basically the same thing, just they didn't give us the quadrant, so I think sine will be positive or negative. So cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, and then you can find that side and then do sine. Now for number 13, basically you just plugging in things from the unit circle. So pi thirds, remember this is pi 6, 2 pi 6, which is pi thirds. And over here we have 1/2 comma root 3 over 2. Okay, so 2 times sine of pi thirds is root 3 over 2. Cosine of pi thirds is 1/2. That will cancel, and we're left with root 3 over 2. Tangent squared of pi fourths. Pi fourths, we have root 2 over 2, comma root 2 over 2, so tangent is 1. So I have 1 squared minus 1, which is 0. All right, I hope that helps. Have a wonderful evening.